All right, guys, we have Henrique here from Brazil, and actually wanted to get him on a call because he spent over $350,000 on YouTube ads, and been very profitable. And he's been just doing this as an affiliate, mostly for products in the info product niche, so mostly information products. So a lot of people keep asking me about affiliate marketing with YouTube ads, and I thought, what better to than to have somebody like Henrique, who's just an expert at it. And also, he's doing this in the Brazilian market. So if you're interested in the Brazilian market, this is going to be a great call for you to learn a lot of really great nuggets. So hey, welcome on board.
Hey, thank you, man. Glad to meet you. Glad to talk with you. There's a few people doing YouTube ads right now, but there's a huge opportunity out there. Mainly with affiliate marketing is a great opportunity because everybody is on Facebook or Instagram, and YouTube is way cheaper. And to affiliate marketing, you need to be very cheaper, cost per click and cost per sale. So yeah, YouTube is the way for sure.
Cool. So what kind of products are you promoting? What kind of what exactly is it like? Are you selling or are you doing info products in a certain niche, or what does that look like?
So there's an interesting view for YouTube. You can be in every niche because people are on YouTube and they are looking for solve their problems in every niche, like lose weight and technical stuff like I don't know, programming, PHP programming, language. The Brazil have great pain on language, so there's a huge opportunity who wants to make some sales with these products. So info products are the way because you have a great commissions. That there's less effort to give the products, and you can get a big commissions for these products. Yeah.
Got it. What kind of commissions are you usually getting from these products?
Really depends. I sell medium tickets. Like 40. I don't know, like 997 or like $105, something like that.
Got it. So you're mainly in like what price range, like 100 to 900, or?
Yeah.
Got it.
Exactly.
Okay, so you're not at like the ultra high end, but you're kind of in the middle between
Yeah.
low ticket
Because
and
I have,
slightly high ticket.
yeah, exactly. Because I have to deal with my budget, to make it profitable. So I have to spend some money and see what happens. And to make it profitable, I enjoy the medium tickets, yeah. Or high tickets perform really well on webinars, automated webinars as well. But
Oh yeah.
yeah,
Are you
it's
are you
a great
actually,
tool.
do you create your own webinars, or do you send to webinars that the product owner has?
Yeah, I promote automated webinars every day and works really well. And like product formula launch
Hmm.
in Brazil, it's a standard default pattern. The people are making every day this type of offers.
Got it. So you're driving the traffic from YouTube, from people searching for something like, let's say, how to learn English,
Yeah.
and you're driving them to a webinar. But is this your own webinar, or is this a client's webinar?
No, it's the vendor's webinar. I just send traffic to their page, and I don't like to much make a huge structure in my own funnel because the vendors knows how to sell their products. So I just send traffic to their offers. Yeah. Mm,
Uh, that's very cool, and I'm pretty sure like you're sending traffic to some of my friends' offers. You know,
yeah.
considering like I have a friend who's in the language space as well in Brazil. Um,
Good to know.
so with doing those kind of affiliate offers, what kind of video ads are you using? Let's say for you know for one of your language affiliate
Right.
courses, right? Because you're
Uh,
obviously you're sending them to their webinar. So what kind of video ad do you use for that?
yeah. The vendors usually to have some videos,
Mm-hmm.
and not always, but they have videos, creative videos. Then I get this and make some simple editing to make this short for YouTube, and I go to True View most
Mm-hmm.
of time because I want to just get people and put my offer in front of these videos and take them to their websites, you know. So it's my main goal. And I start with a CPV
Mm-hmm.
campaign, see what happens. I start with a simple budget, you know, the 50 bucks a day,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will scale that if this is working, and if not working, I try to figure out and start again, make some retargeting, discovery. You know, really depends on the offer. Some offers I just make sales on the front end. I just take these people to the sales page. You know, if the the sales page is good and the copy was good and it's a cheaper product, I just get these people on the sales page. So really depends on the offer and depends on the vendor. If
Mm-hmm.
they have creative, if they haven't video, I just make my own on Biteable or this kind of software, Spoutoon, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You don't the YouTube has a great stuff. So you don't need a great video. You just need a great target audience, you know. So it's a really nice thing on YouTube.
Got it. So to summarize, you're basically starting campaigns, CPV campaigns at $50
Yeah,
a day, um,
yeah,
and you're basically driving these people straight to the either sales page for low ticket offers or to the vendor, which is the seller, the creator of the product, their webinar. So you're either basically doing like, okay, straight to sales page for $4,700 products, and then for high ticket offers, you're sending them to the client, the vendor's webinar, and
yes,
you're
yeah,
taking
yeah,
the videos that the vendors have created, which are typically longer form videos, and you're cutting them into shorter videos, adding like call to actions, etc., making little
exactly.
edits, and you're just doing that. And yeah, that's it. Do you collect these email addresses, or are you just sending it straight to the vendor's website?
No, just take it to the vendor because they have funnels, you know, just have a great setup
Mm-hmm.
and emails. Because I like to make more than one campaign, you know, to more than one offer. I have, I don't know, 20 campaigns running right now. So I have multiple niches and multiple vendors. And yeah, it's basically that.
Got it. Um, okay, that makes a ton of sense. And is in terms of targeting, what type of targeting do you use?
Hmm. Yeah, I basically start with keywords,
Mm-hmm.
works really well, and placements as well. Um, TubeShift is a it's a tool that make this. I have my own on my own tool as well, and for keywords I used to go to the Google Ads keyword planner and see what happens, or keyword tool. And yeah, keywords and placements is my mainly target option. Yeah, I don't use too much this intent audience or topics affinities because I don't know, it's a big audience, you know, to scale things. So I start with keywords or placements. It's a way to go.
Got it. Just start with the hyper targeted keywords and then go
Yeah, yeah,
into,
yeah, yeah.
placements. You're going for the people who are going to buy it.
Yeah, I can get the really cheaper views, you know, like a cent maybe or 2 cents. It's a really cheaper.
Yeah, I imagine Brazil, the traffic is really cheap. So yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of gold nuggets in here, guys. Number one, you can make affiliate traffic work on YouTube. You basically can just literally send traffic to the funnel that you're promoting, and go hyper targeted. Start with CPV campaigns with a low budget, and you can take the vendor, which is the person whose product you're selling, you can take their assets and cut them down and use them as video ads. So I mean, that's pretty much, we've got a whole blueprint for YouTube affiliate marketing here, which is very cool because I haven't done any of it.
You should do.
Yeah, man, I should for sure. I think I gotta do my own course first. That's like probably the biggest priority. And with that, you're mainly focused on the info product niches. So you're talking about languages. Do you have any recommendation for types of niches people should look at?
Yeah, sure. I enjoy technical stuffs
Mm-hmm.
on
Also,
YouTube
like
because
programming.
yeah, because people are looking for that. You know, it's kind of Google search approach, but with the video media, it's more powerful than just a text. You know, yeah, and on mobile, you can see the text on YouTube as well
Mm-hmm.
with YouTube are testing, and yeah, you know, the technical stuffs are really great offers to make on YouTube ads.
Mm-hmm. And when you're finding a product, do you start with like the technical? Let's say you start with like, okay, this is a topic I want to target, and then you find the product after that, or do you start with a product and then go for the targeting?
Yeah, good question. I go to I'm looking for products and feel if there's audience for that product. You know, people are looking for this on YouTube. If they are, all right, great. So start and make good campaigns on that.
That's awesome. Yeah, that's like such a really great strategy. I'm curious, why haven't you made your own info product yet? You know,
Yeah,
you,
well,
you know,
yeah,
you know how to do it. Yeah, yeah. Um, okay, that's cool. And I also wanted to ask you, with like affiliate marketing, right? What other things have you tried other than YouTube? You mentioned you tried Facebook ads, but it was more expensive.
yeah. When I start back in the day, I don't know, 3 years ago, I start with the Facebook, but yeah, I make some money, but not enough to live, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I go to making websites, try to ranking on Google. Doesn't work as well because you know I'm not the SEO guy.
Mm-hmm.
So I was wondering in the day, why not make some videos to rank on YouTube? And one of my videos goes viral. I have 1 million views in a month or two, and make some sales from that. And so really great. But I tried make this again, and it doesn't work. So I was thinking, all right, this works on organic on YouTube. I can make some good sales. So why not make some ads on that? You know, I have more control. I can get some data. I can know my numbers and scale from that. So yeah, that's the way I started. I see this opportunity organic. So I move from advertise, you know.
Got it. Yeah, with paid ads, you're buying traffic. You have complete control. You're not dependent on it going
Exactly.
viral. You just can make it work, and that's perfect for affiliate marketing because you're essentially trying to acquire people for a certain cost that's less than the affiliate payment. So you make a profit, and you figure that out, and you spend what, like $350,000 on that. That's significant, and
Yeah,
you've
yeah.
been profitable, very profitable on that. So it's pretty insane achievement, and that's in
Yeah,
Brazil. Yeah,
yeah,
that's cool.
I made a almost seven figure on affiliate marketing. I'm working on my own product right now, but you know, now I have some experience to sell
Yeah,
my own things. You know, so affiliate marketing is a way to start to get some experience and knowledge. Yeah, for sure.
exactly. And I'm curious about Brazil as well. Like I have a lot of friends in the Brazilian marketing community. And people are always surprised when they hear me say that Brazil's a huge internet marketing um,
Yeah.
like niche. A huge market there. It's what is it, like 250 million people, and info products are like, they're 8-figure info products there. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. You were right. Honestly, the Brazilian people are making sales online about a few years ago. you know. So there's a huge market with great potential and less competitors. Yeah, it's great. Like US and Canada, I don't know, it's English speakers country, there's a whole world making sales, trying to so Brazil has a good opportunity out there. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a huge market, um, less competition. While in the U.S. and Canadian markets, competition is way higher. But the Brazilian market buys info products; they're used to it.
Yeah.
Like it's like there are so many people selling info product courses. They're doing 7 figures or 8 figures a year. There's like huge, like there's a version of product launch formula in Brazil by Eric Roche or something.
Yeah, exactly.
My friend Eduardo Borges as well. He's in the Brazilian marketing niche and crushing it. So yeah,
Yeah.
Brazil's pretty big for everything. And I definitely
I'm
like.
trying to test in globally,
Mhm.
and yeah, it's a I don't know, YouTube ads. There's a very specific way to do this because I don't know if is that in Brazil or in every place is more cheaper than other traffic sources. So YouTube ads is a must for that.
Exactly, YouTube is cheaper in pretty much every country. Yeah,
Yeah,
people are
sure.
not utilizing it. Cool. Yeah, I really appreciate you jumping on this call. Do you have any last things to say? Do you have where can people find you? Where can they find out about
Um,
you?
yeah, right now I just on the backstage. Just affiliate,
Mhm.
but I'm go to launch my product end of this year.
Mhm.
So yeah, just stay tuned and look for me on the social media. Yeah,
Perfect. All
feel
right.
free to ask me anything as well.
All right,
Uh,
guys. Yeah, thanks for the call. Really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, just hopefully you got a lot out of this video. And I mean, like, definitely there's some cool tips here in terms of affiliate marketing. Actually, I had one last question that I wanted to ask you. Are you using a lot of
all right.
CPA campaigns?
Oh yeah, CPA is good, but
Mhm.
I start with CPV. It's
Got
my car business on CPV, because CPA you need to more budget, you need more
it.
tracking stuffs, and as affiliate, it's a kind of difficult to make tracking every steps,
Yeah.
unless you have the contact with the vendors. So you can just put this tracking on their page. If you have this content, yeah, let's do it. But if you don't have, you just can make some CPV and start optimizing your keywords and stuff like that, demographics, But CPA is it's a good way. It's a very profitable, and yeah, if you can do this, just just do it.
Yeah, got
Oh,
it.
dude, sorry about my English. I'm Portuguese, talk Portuguese, so
No
I'm
worries, no
sorry.
worries. Eu falo português
Oh,
também.
legal.
Yeah, no.
Ótimo.
But yeah, basically, to summarize what you just said, like because of as an affiliate, a lot of times you don't have access to the tracking and the budgets are
Yes.
smaller. So you start with
Yeah.
CPV campaigns. So guys, if you're playing with small budgets, whether it's for local clients, etc., CPV is a great way to go because you don't need as much budget as for CPA campaigns. Like CPA campaigns, we use them because we're working with clients who have big budgets, and it
Yeah.
is more effective at a bigger budget. But at a lower budget, CPV campaigns are the best way to go because you don't need that. You can go with a $10 a day budget and still make it work. All right, guys, that was pretty much it. And yeah, I appreciate you jumping on this call.
I appreciate you, man. I'm glad to talk with you. Feel feel free to ping me and let's talk.
Perfect.